Welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare butter garlic squids. So I've taken fresh squids here which I've cleaned, and then you have to cut it into strips as shown in this video. Then apply salt and marinate it for around 30 minutes. In a pan, add butter and oil, and once it's hot enough, add the marinated squids and cook for around 5 minutes. After cooking it for 5 minutes, remove it in a separate bowl and allow it to cool. Don't overcook it as it will turn rubbery. Now in the same pan, add butter, and once the butter is melted, add chopped garlic and saute it for around 1 to 2 minutes. Then add chopped onion and saute till the onion turns translucent. Now add a refined flour and saute it on a low heat. Make sure it doesn't burn. Then add milk and mix it nicely till it becomes a semi-thick sauce. Now add the cooked squids and mix it well. Season it with black pepper, and you can add more salt if you prefer. Finish it off with some chopped coriander leaves. You can also add chili flakes as well.
If you like this recipe, definitely try it out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes.